Step 1. Scroll endlessly and call it learning. Bonus points if you're doom scrolling every hour. Ignore your gut. Ask the internet what to think instead. Avoid asking questions out loud. Someone might think you're dumb forever. Before bed, blast your brain with loud content and blue light. Sleep is for losers. Stay busy 24/7, but never pause to reflect. Movement equals progress, right? Exercise? That's for gym bros. Who needs endorphins when you have caffeine? Make sure your beliefs never change. It's safer that way. Chase validation like rents do. Keep your life curated for the feed. Authenticity is overrated anyway. Only listen to popular opinions. Thinking for yourself is dangerous. Avoid boredom at all costs. Boredom leads to actual thinking. Don't create anything, just consume, like your future depends on it. Eat quick, think less, sleep less. And remember, if you feel empty, just keep scrolling. It'll go away, eventually. Bonus tip: complaining is a full-time hobby. Go master it.